Thank you for joining Japanese Candlestick webinar part 2. This time I show you concretely candlestick trading method. Candlestick trading is understand human feelings. I talk about two things from amongst those: silent trade and passion trade. First, silent trade. Silent trade human feeling like not interesting, bore, or tedium. What time are you bored? People feel bored when price movement is slow. Silent trade is use another people bored feelings. In this chart, there are some silent signal. One of those, Doji. Doji is Japanese. Doji means same. In trading, Doji means open price and close price is same. Here is Doji. When Doji appear, people feel bored. People want price movement. People thinking when price start go higher or lower. If price start to up, people buy. But this is fake. Here is Doji. Here is Doji. Price go up. People wants to buy, but price go down. This is a fake. Here is Doji. If price start to down, people sell. But this is also fake. Price go higher. Price start to move, then people want to action. They want to buy. They want to sell. They want to trade. When Doji appear, at this time, other people trade, but we do not trade because not trade chance. We just wait silently. We just look other people doing. As time passes, true trade chance appear. Doji appear, price go down, we do not trade. Doji appear, price down, up, we do not trade. But air pocket appear, we trade. What is air pocket? When price up or down, price far from Doji, then air pocket appear. Doji appear, price go down. Price far from Doji, then air pocket appear. Here is Doji, next bar appear, but next bar on Doji is near, so there is no air pocket. Price far from Doji, air pocket appear. When price and doji near, we do not trade. At this time, we do not trade. When doji appear, wait until air pocket appear. After air pocket appear, we trade. Here's a sample. Doji, price, move, and go down. Air pocket appear. We set buy stop order to Doji center. Price go up and hit buy stop order after price go up. What is target? Where is target? Target is Doji candlestick bar high to low size. We set this Doji center buy stop order, and this candlestick high to low size 50. Then 50 is target. 30 is target. 100 is target. Where is the stop loss? Doji center buy stop order. Hit here, then stop loss is entry bar low. After price go up. Target reached. Here is Doji. Next bar appear, there is no air pocket. Next bar appear, there is no air pocket. Next bar appear, price go up. Then air pocket appear. Price move, price move, price move. So we set sell stop order to Doji center here. After price go down and hit. Target is Doji high to low size. Price go down. Take profit. Stop loss is entry bar high here. You can take profit. Silent trade true mean is other people use other people feeling. At this time, Doji appear at this time, people want to know direction, price direction, up or down. Price go down or start to down. We price down. People always last bar price movement. Price go up. People always new price movement. So people forget this human feeling. Bore. People forget this feeling. So we use this other people feeling by stop order. we can take profit. Because people forget this boa feeling. This Doji trade any currency, okay, any time frame, okay, but I recommend daily chart because daily chart all include another people doing. Use Doji is one of silent trade. Next is a human passion trade. I'll show you one of human passion trade. Next is human passion trade. Do you know harami? Harami is Japanese. Harami means pregnancy. Harami is pregnancy. There is some same pronunciation Japanese harami means meat. Modern almost Japanese people say harami means meat. But in trading, harami is pregnancy. Here is harami. This is mother candlestick. Next is baby candlestick. Baby candlestick all of high to low include inside previous mother candlestick. So this is pregnancy. Harami. In other words, when last bar appear open and close, all of them are previous inside. Do you have a baby or child in your family? When baby born, what do you feel? You feel happy. People feel happy. Feel pleasure. People say congratulations. In trading market, same thing happen. Harami appear after baby born. At this time, baby inside mother body. After baby go outside. People feel happy. Price movement is big. Because human feel pleasure. Here is harami. Baby candlestick is previous mother candlestick inside. When harami appear, sell stop order to mother candlestick low after baby born. When harami appear, buy stop order to mother candlestick high after baby born. What is target? Where is stop loss? Target is baby candlestick high to low size. Stop loss is mother candlestick high or low. But sometimes stillborn happen. To avoid stillborn, we just wait first baby born. After sell stop order or buy stop order to mother candlestick low or high. Here is harami. Baby and mother. Harami appear, and then buy stop order 2, mother candlestick high, price a little bit go up, but after go down. This is a stop out, still bone. So we wait first baby bone. Harami appear, price go a little bit higher, baby bone. But do not buy stop order. Wait baby bone. After go down, then sell stop order 2, mother candlestick low. After price go down, reach target. Look at here. Here's harami. Next bar a little bit higher, go lower, upside baby bone, downside baby bone. So both sides still bone. Stop out, stop out. Double stop loss. To avoid both sides still bone, do not forget air pocket. Air pocket apply to this baby bone trade. In this case, harami appear, but air pocket, no, there is no air pocket. Look at here. Harami. Downside baby bone, take profit, and air pocket appear, but still not upside baby at this time. So buy stop order 2, harami mother body candlestick high, then price go up. Target is baby candlestick high to low. You can take profit. This is accurate. This is a baby bond trade. Baby bond trade is one of passion trade. You can trade with Doji and harami. Any currency okay, any time frame okay, but I recommend daily chart. If you have questions, please send me email long.hang.seng@gmail.com. Thank you so much.